Let's talk about ordering prints on Foto Depot from the comfort of your own home at midnight in your pajamas or whenever you want. It is so cool. Okay, first thing we're going to do is click on the Order Prints icon in the upper right of the screen. And now it's asking me to select the photos for which I'd like to order prints and then click Add to Cart. One easy way to select a photo is just to click on the thumbnail and you'll see a red line go around the photo. Each photo that I click on gets the red line. That means it's selected for printing. Clicking on a photo a second time takes the red line off, means it's deselected. I can also select all photos on the page, or there's a link for select none, so I can start all over. And select all pages means if there are multiple pages in my photo album, all of the pictures will be selected for printing. Now before I click Add to Cart, I want to show you on the left side of the screen we've got something called Quick Set, where we can choose the size that we want to print our photos in general. And of course we can change this individually per photo later. Now if you've got a compact digital camera, chances are 4 by 5.33 will be your standard photo size that's going to show the full frame. If you've got an SLR, you're going to want to choose 4 by 6 for standard size prints. You can also choose a quantity. To start off, you can choose 1 or 2 prints each, as many as you want. Then I'll click Add to Cart. Okay, so now you can see as per my quick set that I have chosen one 4 by 6 print of each photo. So now we can change our quantities and change sizes and do some cropping too. So any size that doesn't have any photos in it, you can see the text says drag photos here to change size, control plus drag to copy. So I'm just going to click on a photo in 4 by 6 with my left mouse button and drag it over top of the empty 5 by 7 area. And now you can see I've changed this photo to print as a 5 by 7 instead of 4 by 6. I can also control and drag a photo. So if I hold down the control key on my keyboard and then left click and drag a photo, I'm going to drag this photo from 4 by 6 to 8 by 10. And when I let go, you will see that I now have a 4 by 6 copy of this photo and an 8 by 10 copy of the photo. In addition, I can set the quantities on these prints individually now. By hovering over a thumbnail, you will see a little up and down arrow beside the quantity. Pushing up will increase the quantity by 1, and pushing down will decrease the quantity by 1. As you can see, I've pushed the up arrow on 2 of these images, and they are now set to have 2 prints. Let's say that there is a picture here that I want to get rid of in my order. Hovering over the thumbnail gives us a little X in the bottom right. If I click that X, it removes the print from the order. It doesn't remove the picture from Foto Depot, but it just takes the print out of this order. Now we'll show you all of the cool editing features in another video, but right now I want to show you a neat little trick from right inside the shopping cart. Just by clicking on the little magnifying glass that says Enlarge Edit, it brings up the picture larger, and you notice a little faded white area on top and bottom. When I print this file 8 by 10, part of it's going to be cropped. And just by clicking and dragging with the left mouse button, I can slide that crop box up and down to determine exactly where the crop will be. So it doesn't have to be dead center. You can move it around to keep people's heads from being cut off. Okay, and there is another way to quickly change quantity on a bunch of pictures at the same time. You'll notice beside each of the sizes there's a link called Select All. And when I select all and change the quantity up or down, it changes all of the pictures in that size up or down by 1. Also for each size, you'll see we have a choice of finish. In the case of 4 by 6, we can choose between matte and glossy. And we have a choice of no borders or a white border, depending on how you like your prints. Once we've set all of our options, we can click on Checkout. And that will bring us to the checkout screen. Now you have a choice to pick up your order in the store or have it shipped to you anywhere in Canada. If you're picking up in the store, you can pay when you come to the store, or you have the option of paying securely online by credit card. And if you're having your order shipped, you'll have to pay by credit card. There's also a comment section down at the bottom where you can enter specific instructions for your order. And as you look at the bottom, you can see all of your totals, subtotals, shipping, taxes, and your grand total. And when you click Place Order, your order will go directly to our lab, where it will be completed usually in less than 24 hours. And when it's completed, you will receive an email that it's ready to pick up or that it has been shipped. And you did it all in your pajamas.